Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I have a super chill and relaxing Sunday morning of cleaning for you guys. This is some pre-recorded footage from about 2 months ago, so I hope that you all enjoy anyway. I will be sure to have all of the products listed down in that description box, so definitely check there if you all are interested. And as always, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoy this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. This is a Sunday morning that I did not get a chance to go to the gym. I am still in my pajamas, again, super chill and relaxing. I went ahead and got dinner started as well as cleaned out the refrigerator. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle the kitchen as well as do a light dusting downstairs and pass the vacuum. If you all enjoy, please do not leave without giving this video a big thumbs up and come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.
I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is so loud. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling can still remember the first time that we kissed. Feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel